Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel. And here it is, a wonderful, rainy Sunday day in Ohio, here in April, and look what we arrived. We got our water bottles. So we'd like to have you subscribe to our channel. Please hit the like button and notify so you can stay current with our latest content. Now we just a couple of days ago received our insulated 9-ounce coffee beverage holders with our Grumman Pilots logo on both sides, and today the water bottles arrived. So now these will be available in the company store, and we look forward to people ordering them. And while you're in the company store, don't forget that, as always, we have lots of air vents for sale. When we ordered these, I now understand what Ken Blackman said. He goes, I'll always have lots of air vents, because when you order them, the check you have to write is a 4-digit figure, and you get a lot of these. So we'll be having them for a few more years. I think I told Mark Matthews one time I could do 25% of the fleet in the air vents that I had to order. So anyway, remember, we have air vents, and we have the new Grumman Pilots Bling, both water bottles and the new insulated coffee containers. Oh, and by the way, Luann said to tell you that the water bottles are BPA free. She said that's important for a lot of shoppers. So anyway, folks, we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for joining me on the back porch on a rainy day, and have a good day flying your Grumman. Hope we see you at the June event. And in addition, there's a little treat about 3 o'clock in the morning when I'm doing web work and other stuff. Here's my cat coming down, playing with a mouse and meowing and just having a good time with me in the wee hours of the night. So I thought I'd throw this into you as a little treat. Y'all please enjoy.